Good morning, Ash class. It's Thursday, the 14th of May 2020, and we have a maths day today. I thought you'd be excited about that. So let's get our maths brains warmed up, and then I will tell you the maths that we're doing today. The warm-up that we're doing is really simple. It's all about finding one less and one more than a number. So on the screen will flash up a number. You need to call out. Now this is one of the only times you're allowed to call out, Mrs. Keating, but you can call out your answer, that is one more or one less. Pay attention to whether it's more or less so that you get the number right. Ready? Off we go. Here we are. What is one more than 5? 6. Brilliant. One more than 10. 11. One more than 9. 10 would be the next number. One more than 17. 15, 16, 17, 18. Brilliant. Oh, it's changed now. Now it says S, less. One less than 3. 2 would be one less than 3. One less than 9. 8. One less than 17. 16 if we took one away, and finally one less than 20. Yes, it would be 19. There we go. It would be 19. I'll put a little comma in between to separate them. Okay, on to our maths challenge for today. Your maths problem today is about Noah's Ark. Now that's a story that we've read before in Ash class, but if you can't remember it, it's not a problem because it's really to do with the maths rather than the story itself. Now, it's all about a man called Noah, and he has a big boat that is called an ark sometimes. So you'll see a picture of a boat. We're going to call that his ark today. And Noah's ark was full of animals. And he had to count all the animals. He had to know exactly how many animals were on his ark. Now, here's the problem though. We are going to take a look at that problem right now. So here is Noah's Ark, and as you know, Noah's Ark is a boat that is full of animals. Here is our problem that we are going to solve today. I'm going to get my highlighter ready so that I can highlight the important words and numbers. Noah saw 12 animals' legs go into the ark. How many animals might be on the ark? Well, he saw 12 animals' legs, that's important. He saw 12 legs go into the ark. How many animals might be on the ark? Well, how many tells me that I'm going to need to do some counting and probably some adding as well. Right. Now, animals have got lots of different numbers of legs, haven't they? That's what makes this problem a bit trickier. Now, some animals have got one leg. A flamingo actually has 2, but sometimes it stands on one, so maybe it was hopping. That's my thoughts. And a snail has actually got 1 foot. We call this the foot of the snail. So I'm going to say a snail's got 1 leg, even though we call it a foot. So some animals are one-legged. We call them unipeds. Oh, I've done that twice. Some animals have 2 legs. I've done some examples. There's lots more. Kangaroos have got 2 very springy legs, and chickens and lots of birds have got 2 legs as well, haven't they? Do you know any other animals with 2 legs? Oh, good one. Okay. Oh, 3 legs. Now, there's no pictures here because no animals have got 3 legs, so we don't have to worry about 3-legged animals. So today you will not be using the number 3. Because no animals have got 3 legs. 4 legs. Lots of animals have got 4 legs. Animals like cats, like dogs, 1, 2, 3, 4, zebras, loads of animals have got 4 legs. And some animals have even got more than 4 legs. It's a bit unusual, mostly insects. Or even this octopus here. As we know, an octopus has got 8 legs, a spider's got 8 legs, a millipede or a centipede has got an awful lot of legs. I wouldn't worry about these guys for today. Let's put him away. Off you go, millipede. Probably go up to 8 if you need to. So, Noah will see something like this. There's some legs sticking out, but how many legs did he see? 12. I'm going to write 12 in red over here to remind myself. 1 and 8. 2. Okay, so far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm going to need some more legs. I haven't quite got enough. So there's lots of different ways we can do it. So he can just see the legs. I'm going to get rid of these ones for now. How many snails with one leg would he need to see? 1 foot rather. To see 12. Well, he'd need to see 12 snails. He'd need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, Mr. Snail. 10. I'm going to have to put them up here. 11, 12. He has seen 12 snails. Now, if I was going to write that as a number sentence, my goodness, it would be something like 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times do I need to do plus 1? 12 times. 12 lots of 1 snail. If you're a year 1, you might be able to write it like this. 12 groups of, or lots of, 1 snail. And how many feet is that altogether? 12. So 12 groups of 1. This is just for year 1s. Year 1s are the only people who have learnt about multiplication so far. Year R's, you'll do that next year. You might write it as a repeated addition number sentence. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 snails, 10 snails, excuse me, 11 snails, 12 snails altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 snails. It's the same answer, and we've worked it out a similar way, but you can write it in 2 different number sentences. That might be a bonus challenge for year 1s. Okay, let's start again. I'm just going to have to move these snails away. What about if Noah only had chickens on his boat or only had birds? How many lots of 2 legs would make 12? Oh, I've lost my 12 from the corner. I'll write it back up again. Right, I need 12 legs. How many do I have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put them over here. 11, 12. I've got 12 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that number sentence would be, I'm going to type it this time because I've learnt my lesson. It is 2, because there's this chicken here. 2 and 2 add 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. 2 add 2. Okay. 2 add 2. Add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2 is 12 altogether. So 2 legs. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to do that. 2 legs and 2 legs. What is going on? So 2 legs and 2 legs and another 2 legs and another 2 legs. Oh, don't know why I did a 3. Remember, we're not using 3 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 2. So far, I've got 5 lots of 2. I need another one. And altogether, that totals 12. Interestingly, all of your totals today should be 12. Year 1s, how would we write that as a multiply sentence, a groups of sentence? How many groups of 2 legs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2 legs. So we would write that as 6. Oh, it's gone all funny. 6 groups of 2. And what's that going to equal? Of course, it's going to equal 12. It's the same way of working it out. It's just a different way of writing it down. We could also do it this way. Or you could do your working out using a number line. So I'm going to do the dog one as an example of the number line. How many legs does a dog have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many legs do we have now in this bit? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 legs. And I want to get to 12. This is my goal. Altogether, I wonder how many lots of 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have got 4. That's dog number 1. Actually, I'm going to put him on top of it. Look at that. Okay, dog number 1 has got 4 legs. Dog number 2 has got 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to jump to the number 8. Dog number 3 has also got 4 legs. we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. There we go. If I was going to write that as a number sentence, I could do 4 and 4 and 4 is 12 altogether, because it's dog and dog and dog, 12 legs. Or if I'm a year 1, I could even write how many groups of 4 legs do we have? 3 dogs, 3 groups of 4 legs, 3 groups of 4. And that's going to make 12 altogether. And I know I said we weren't using the number 3 today, but actually we can use it because we've got 3 groups. We're not saying the dogs have got 3 legs, we're saying we've got 3 dogs. So that's okay in that example. Okay, so try your best with that today. I know it's really tricky. Just have a go, figure it out, see what you can come up with. There's loads of different right answers. So if you come up with even 1, 2 or 3 correct answers, that's brilliant, well done. And I suggest getting either toys or things that have got that many legs, or drawing the pictures of them would really help, especially if you're in year R. It really helps our brains to picture those numbers. And that's all from me today. I will see you tomorrow for a bit of philosophy. See you then. Bye.